Hi, my name is Lauren. I'm a petroleum engineering student at the University of Texas in Austin. Join me on Unlocked as I spend a summer exploring Key Energy Services and what it's like behind the scenes with the people who help keep American oil and gas flowing. On our first episode, we're in East Texas with the Rig Services crew on Rig 1208, and we're learning about ways to keep oil and gas wells online and productive. Being out in the field was a new experience for me. I got a better understanding of some things that I knew intellectually, but that you really need to see firsthand to appreciate and prepare for. One thing that really hit home was how crucial rig services are. A problem with a well can cost an operator millions, so they're counting on a rig crew's performance in the field to keep things moving forward. On the work site, I met up with Pete Hill, who is a rig supervisor with Key Energy Services. Once a well is drilled, safety and keeping everything flowing is job one. It's all about planning for the unexpected, and then coming together as a team to solve the problem when issues do arise.
So what are y'all doing here today?
Today we're tripping in the hole with a bit to clean the liner out in the well.
Okay, and what do you think is like the most important part of rig services?
The most important part to me is to keep everybody safe and try to please the customer at the end of the day.
And do you face a lot of challenges on a day-to-day basis?
We do run across hazards that we try to mitigate and just work around them the best we can or completely eliminate them. So.
Are there any hazards here today?
Yes, we have our mud on the ground, which causes a slip hazard, and we've got several pinch point areas while latching elevators and working tongs, and we got fishing tools on the ground and lines ran everywhere that causes trip hazards. But like I say, we cover everything on our JSA and try to mark and move those objects to keep them from being such a hazard, a great hazard.
When do you fill out a JSA?
We do it every morning before the job starts, and anytime the scope of the job may change, we'll group up and go over a JSA.
Every rig is a little different depending on the job at hand, whether drilling a horizontal well in South Texas or a conventional well in Russia. Another thing that's evident is just how much goes into these rigs. Some, like these, are rated up to 1,000 horsepower for deep well environments. All kinds of specialty equipment is added depending on the project, and data from the job can be fed into a centralized location, helping benchmark performance and figure out how to do the job better next time. But the biggest thing I noticed was how much everybody seemed to love being out here, and I can see why. Challenges that never stay the same, cool machines and computers, and people who always make you feel like you're part of the team, no matter how small your steel toes. What's not to like? Well, that's it for this episode. Have any questions about something we said or did? Or maybe you'd like to join the Key Energy Services team? Just email unlocked@keyenergy.com. So until next time, remember, performance is key.